How to do a Sendit on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to 1-2-Step. You can see other people adding in a sentence which is called a Sendit. To add a Sendit to your Snapchat, you need to first download the application of Sendit onto your phones. This is the application, you can easily find it and download this application. Once you download it, tap open it and you'll have an option to connect your Sendit with your Snapchat. Once your Sendit has been connected to your Snapchat, you'll see this interface. Now if you swipe left, you can see a variety of things that you can choose from. Pick anyone that you want, and if you tap on it, you'll also have an option to change in the sentence. You can remove it or type in anything that you want. And after you do, you'll have an option of play on the bottom. You can either play or the first one is only a share. So this is the option of sharing in a Sendit. Once you open it, you can tap on the dice and different kinds of sentences will pop up. If you tap on the fire emoji, the trending topics or the trending sentences will appear from where you can choose the one that you want. After you choose it, you can tap on share and the sentence of Sendit will be attached to your Snapchat, where you can now just tap on share and share it as a snap or add it to your story. So that's the way that you can do a Sendit on Snapchat. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.